Hello everyone, welcome back to Fingertips. In today's video, we are going to cover the topic Vlookup. So here V stands for vertical. Basically, Vlookup helps you to find the data you are looking for when you have a massive amount of spreadsheet with lots of entries. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly jump into the session. Also, if you have any questions or doubts, please let us know in the comment section below.
So we can see this is the vertical database. Now, if I want to know what is my annual income of employee ID 101, you can see it is $822,976. And if I want to know what is the annual income of 105 employee ID, again we can look up in the table, and it is for 105 employee ID, the annual income is $322,976. Now, this is a small data set, so it is easy to look up the value and we don't have to go through much of hassle. Now, if it is a huge data set, how will you function? You have to use this Vlookup value. It will be easy to look up. Equals to Vlookup. Now, it has few parameters. First is the lookup value, so which you will give as the 101 employee ID. And if you remember, the lookup value should be unique and it should be the first column of your selected array. And you have to give the table array. You have to select the database. You have to give the column number, the value that you want in return. And the lastly is the range lookup. Okay, that is in the square brackets. That is optional. So we'll see how will we use it. First, the lookup value is 101, right? Table array, as it is in the first column, we'll select from the start itself, and we can select the entire table array. Okay, and now we want annual income. So we'll count which column it is. So it is 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth is the column of annual income. We'll write the number of column as 6. And lastly, it is given true for approximate match, false for exact match. So I want false for exact match. I'll write 0 and close the bracket. Now let's see what is done. Yes, it is for 101. It is $822,976. Now if I just change the ID over here, 104, let's see what happens. It is giving me a different value. For 104, yes, the annual income is $4,34,546, right? Now if I want to apply it on another sheet, like we did in advanced filter, how will we do it? We'll go to another sheet, we'll give the criteria over there, and our cursor should be in that sheet, otherwise we'll get an error. And let's see how will we use the Vlookup function. Equals to Vlookup and select mark. Now mark, if you remember, it is in the second column. So you'll have to select your table array from that. That is one of the rules. And lastly, the third rule is from left to right, right? So in lookup value, I wanted the annual income of mark. I'll select from this name column and I'll go till this column. And it is the fifth column in this selected array. I'll give number 5 and 0. Close the bracket. Now, Mark has the annual income of $322,976. We can look up for the gender as well. You'll just have to change the column number. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth column number. And I can replace it from here and give it as Mark as male. Is it? Yes, Mark is a male in the gender column. Perfect.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this session on Excel. In this Excel course, we are going to cover all the things, like from starting, from formulas to charts, graphs, and even some case studies on real data sets. I hope you guys will feel more confident on your Excel skills after this. But remember, practice makes you the perfect, right? So don't hesitate to try out what you have learned. Also, if you want to excel in your career too, then you can check out our Data Science Pro program by clicking on the link given in the description. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or if you have any doubts related to Excel, please let us know in the comment section below. Till then, happy learning.